This is Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. It came over from Brazil and it's really self-defense and a little bit of judo, it looks like it. So the whole goal is to take somebody down safely, control him, and with the self-defense just controlling and keeping everything safe. With the sport, as you can see, maybe it's also applying some pressure on the joints. So maybe an armbar or a choke until the other guy gives up and then you win. Well, today Niko is right here testing today. So we have one person going for the purple belt, which is the second belt, which is a really good achievement. And wow, they're doing the exam right now. Okay, so I think it's a really good workout. So it doesn't matter in what shape you are, if you're already really fit, or maybe well you sat on the couch for a long time. Just join the club and see if you like it. Yeah, everybody's welcome. You're welcome to take a free trial week, so you can just join every class and see if you like it. And most people just stay.
Well, in total, I'm now almost 4 years in, with some previous experience before. But overall, almost 3 to 5 times a week of commitment of training. Yeah, so it's not doesn't come easy, but it's worth it. I came here 2015 the first time, so almost 10 years. Yeah, we train like we have kids classes like once a week, and then we have adult classes 3 times a week, and Chris teaches some privates as well. And so almost every day there's something Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu going on here. One more thing to tell about the sport. Well, it has a lot of analogy for life. I think it's like dealing with pressure. How calm can you stay in bad situations and recover from it, and knowing that it's always a process. It's never concluding. It's always not in conclusion. So you can be in a bad spot, and with conscious breathing and accepting the bad situation, you can find solutions and come out of it in a better way. So I think that's a really profound insight of the sport and the art.